So you like my paintings, babes?
Pag wala na akong trabaho magbibenta ako ng konti.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. Vlog ni Manay Gina de Venecia. Oh, may pa-vlog pa tayo, ha? Hello mga ka-G! Marami tayong ikikwento sa inyo ngayong umagang ito. Yung aking daily routine, yung aking mga ginagawa, at meron pa akong bonus na hindi pa nyo alam tungkol kay Manay Gina. G na ba tayo? Lahat ng ginagawa ko, meron akong papel. Sinusulat ko lahat ng gagawin ko. So every day, chinecheck ko. Para at the end of the day, nagawa ko lahat. Yung hindi ko magawa, I do it the following day. I think the secret in life is having system. And then you can be assured, mas madali ang buhay. Babrush natin ang buhok natin. Naglalagay ako ng Kanebo pancake. I put my Clinique. Naglalagay ako ng blush on. And naglalagay na ako ng aking eye makeup. Lipstick na Clinique Golden Brandy. Maglalagay na ako ng aking cologne. May Jessica McClintock pala. Alam niyo, beauty is for everyone, regardless of age. Dapat meron kang disiplina sa sarili mo. Ano ba ang laman ng bag ni Manay Gina? First of all, meron akong organizer para hindi magulo yung aking bag. Meron akong battery-operated fan, index card, ball pens, my phones here, dalawa ang aking phone, face powder, yung aking lipstick, hand cream, blush on, nasal spray, and this is very important. It's called Glycerin. In case of a heart attack or a stroke, you spray this under your tongue 3 times and all the blood vessels will open. And then I have this medicine kasi marami akong allergy, so I take this. And I have a little spending money here. Yung pagka-organize ko in my daily life, it starts with my bag. Kasi hindi ako nahihirapan dahil hindi ba, pag hindi mo mahanap yung gusto mong hanapin, naaaburido ka na. Para it's bright every day. And of course, I start my day with prayers. To thank the Lord, He gave you another chance to live another day. That's my secret. Alam po ninyo, nag-umpisa yan nung maliit pa ako. Yung aking passion to help other people because ang parents ko, si Doc Perez at si Mama Nene Vera Perez of Sampaguita Pictures ay laging tumutulong sa mga nangangailangan. As I was moving on with my life, sabi ko sa sarili ko, something has to be done for them. I was given a chance to be an instrument to build all the havens for women, children, and the elderly. Nakapagtayo kami ng Haven for Women with 16 building hospital in Alabang with 15 regional centers nationwide. They can stay here for a year with their children. Libre po ito. While being rehabilitated, tinuturuan sila ng livelihood para magkaroon sila ng kabuhayan pag sila po ay ready ng reintegrate back into their families. And then meron din po tayong naitayo, yung Haven for Children. Ito po ay 9-building hospital also in Alabang with 4 regional centers nationwide. And dito po inaalagaan ng mga street children. Nakatulong din po tayo magtayo ng Haven for the Elderly. This is in Tanay Rizal. This is a 19-building complex kung saan po ang mga matatanda who have been abandoned their families ay inaalagaan at being cared for by the social workers of the DSWD. And nung nawala po yung anak kong si Casey, magkausap kami ni Ali Soto. So sabi ko, Ali, I think it's time that we will be there for other mothers like us who've lost a child. And sama-sama po kami, itinatag namin ang Ina Healing Center. It's a place where mothers who needs counseling can go. May salute to the social workers of DSWD who are really walking an extra mile para matulungan po ang mga nanay na naulila sa anak. Lagi akong tinatanong ng mga tao, Manay, anong feeling mo pag nakakatulong ka sa mga nangangailangan? Actually, I'm happy. I feel fulfilled. And I feel that's part of my mission in life, to be there for other people who needs my help. Hindi ba nyo alam, may special talent si Manay Gina, which I developed after my daughter Casey passed away. Yan ang hilig na hilig ko mag-painting. To ease the pain na aking nararamdaman. Ang mga paintings ko inspired by Gauguin. Because gustong-gusto ko yung kanyang colors, very warm, very bright, and very happy. And karamihan ng paintings ko is landscape, but there's always a butterfly. Kasi butterfly is Casey. This is one of my earliest paintings. If you see, it's all butterflies. Because after she passed away, lagi siyang nagmamanifesto sa butterfly. And I know that her spirit was always there for me, visiting me, her dad, ang kanyang mga kapatid. Pag nawala yung ating loved one in this world, hindi naman sila umaalis eh. They will always remain in our heart. And they will always look after us and protect us. Check out my paintings. They're all with butterflies. So you like my paintings, babes?
Pag wala na akong trabaho magbibenta ako ng konti.
Bawal. I love my paintings like my own children.
Kung wala na akong trabaho
We can do other things except sell my paintings, which is so important to me. Dito nagtatapos ang ating storya. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating vlog. At sana keep on following Manay Gina. Vlog, vlog, vlog. Heart, heart, heart. Bye! Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. And tell me your comments kung gusto niyo ano pang ikwento ko next time. Thank you.